We are now starting our new lecture. That is the part two of our previous lecture, that is formula and equation. So in our previous lecture, we studied about how to make a formula, and now we are going to study about how make equations and basically how we can balance equation. Now, writing equations. Now, if you remember, what are equations? Now, first of all, the question is, what do you mean by a chemical equation? Okay. For this, I will open a PPT. Yes. Okay. Now, topic is chemical equation. Chemical equation. Now, chemical equation means representation of chemical reaction on piece of paper. Whatever the chemical reaction is going on, if you represent it on a piece of paper by choosing some symbols and arrows, is known as chemical equation. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And okay. Now in chemical equation we use symbol of element number 2, formula of compound number 3, their state of matter, 4th, reaction condition, etc. Okay, for example, if we write C, this S plus O2 gas gives you CO2 gas. Now in this C is carbon, where this S, if S is written, it means solid, G means gas, L means liquid. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if upward arrow is there, it means we are making a gas. If downward arrow is there, it means precipitate. This arrow is for equilibrium reaction. Okay. This represents heat. This represents sunlight. And fine. This is what the things we have to remember in a chemical equation. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in a chemical equation, some elements always exist in a form of a molecule, like H2, F2, and O2, Cl2, etc. Some are the formulas, they are fixed formulas, CO2, H2O, CH4. These are the fixed formula, etc. These are the fixed formula. Okay. Now, whenever we are balancing a chemical equation, we always add some coefficients like A, B, C. This A, B, C can be equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, if I choose N2 plus H2, this is N2 is a gas, H2 is a gas. When they combine together, they form, how they will form, what they will form, nitrogen and hydrogen. What is the valency of nitrogen? 3. Hydrogen is 1. If you cross multiply it, you will get NH3. It means N2, nitrogen and hydrogen, whenever they combine, they are going to form NH3, which is also a gas. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is reactant. And this is product. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, number of nitrogen and hydrogen in both sides. We have to balance it. How many nitrogens are present there? 2 nitrogen, 2 hydrogens are present. Here we have 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen are present. Clear?
So there's 2 nitrogens.
So
And
we want to increase the nitrogen there. So we have to multiply it by 2. Now, if I multiply 2 there, this 2, if I write 2 there,
then there's
then
5
nitrogen will be equal to 2 now.
hydrogen.
But 3 into 2, 6. This 2 will be multiplied. This 2 will be with hydrogen also. So it will become hydrogen 6. Clear?
Yeah.
Now here we have only 2. So if I multiply it by 3 simple, or add 3, multiply 3, so it will become 6. Now you can find out 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen, 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen. So this is balanced equation. Clear? Now, this 3 and 2, they are known as
Coefficient.
stoichiometric coefficient. Fine?
Yeah.
So while balancing, remember that while balancing equation, we need to change these coefficients only. We can change only these coefficients. This 2, and this 3, you can't change.
Yeah.
And these 2, 2, 3, these are what? These are showing its atomicity. These are showing its atomicity, which cannot be changed. Clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So we can always add these things. You cannot change this. Okay. Now we will see some more reaction. Now suppose we have Ca plus H2O gives you CaOH whole twice. Now see whether this reaction is balanced or not. Calcium, 1 calcium. Here we have 1 calcium, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Clear? Okay. Now in this case, what we have? Oxygen 2, hydrogen 2.
Right.
Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yeah.
This OH means this 2 is with hydrogen and oxygen both.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now, this is a 1 compound. You can add there only. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, any coefficient this side. And if you add any coefficient this side, it will be multiplied with whole. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, calcium is already balanced. Oxygen, we need to balance. Hydrogen is balanced. So here, oxygen is less, this side. Here, 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. So if I multiply it by 2, it means I have to add 2 there. I have to write 2 this side. Fine. Now, as soon as I write 2 there, so 2 into 4, this will become 4. Hydrogen will become 4. And here you have hydrogen 2. So now, in order to make 4 hydrogen, I write again this 2 here.
So
Yes.
you add a 2.
Hmm.
No, because first it's H2O. So
Yeah,
there's
first.
2 hydrogens
Hmm.
in the reactant. So in the product there's 2 hydrogen, but there's 2
Okay.
oxygen,
I'm
which isn't.
I'm again writing it like, okay, fine. I will remove everything. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, first of all, calcium is balanced.
Yeah.
Hydrogen is balanced. Wait.
Yeah.
Oxygen 2. Oxygen 1. Hydrogen 2. So hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen is not balanced in this one. Fine. Clear? So how I can balance oxygen? Multiplied by 2.
Yeah.
Fine. It
Add
means
the
I have to
coefficient.
2 this side. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, as I write coefficient 2 there, it will become hydrogen 4. Hydrogen will become 4. Yes or no?
Yeah. It's
Yes.
okay.
Clear?
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
You got it? Now, in this
Yeah.
case here we have hydrogen 2, oxygen 2. Now, hydrogen is 4. It means we have to multiply 2 there. So 2 there means I have to write 2 this side. Is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. If I write 2 there, so what will happen? Calcium will become 2.
Yeah. So then
Oxygen
you
will
have to.
become 4. Again, this 2 is with calcium, this 2 is with oxygen. Clear? And hydrogen is 4. Is that part clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, in order to balance calcium, I need to balance 2 to this side. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, oxygen is not balanced.
No, it's not.
Oxygen is where 2 and this is 4. Now, if I write 4 there, the reaction is not correct. This reaction is wrong. Basically, I made a mistake. This reaction is wrong. This cannot be balanced. Wait, if I write 4 this side, so this will become 8.
Yeah.
This will become 4. 4. This is 8. Oxygen, hydrogen 8, oxygen 4. Then oxygen will become again 8. So this reaction is wrong. This reaction cannot be balanced. Correct equation is CaO plus H2O gives you CaOH whole twice. And in this case, each and everything is balanced before. Calcium 1, oxygen we have 2, hydrogen we have 2. Here if you see calcium 1, oxygen 2, hydrogen 2. Here, this is a wrong equation. No need to do it. This is wrong. Incomplete equation. Got it? Mana, is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now we'll see some examples from your. Okay, yes. Okay, we will take. There's one more thing is there. We have aqueous, AQ. AQ means aqueous, that is dissolved in water. Okay. Now take one more reaction. Na plus O2 will give you Na2O. Now can you balance this equation?
And the Na one.
Now in this case, Na is 1, oxygen is 2. Here Na is 2, oxygen is 1. So what we can do? multiplied by 2. If I write 2 there, so it will become N is equal to 4, oxygen is equal to 2. Fine. Multiplied by 4, simply, if I write 4 there, reaction is balanced. Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Got it? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Okay. Now suppose we have NaOH plus H2SO4. Okay, I will take next page. NaOH aqueous plus H2SO4 aqueous. This will give you Na2SO4 plus H2O. This reaction. This is
Yeah.
aqueous and this is liquid. Fine. Now balance this equation. Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Number of sodium 1. Oxygen is 1 plus 4. It's 5. And here we have hydrogen 1 and 2, 3 and 1 sulfur. Here sodium 2, oxygen is 5, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1. The problem is with sodium only. So simply there are 2 sodiums, here are 1 sodium. So what I can do? I can write 2 this side. Finished. Now as soon as I write 2 there, so this will become 2 plus 4, 6. 6 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. Clear? This will become 6 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. Now if I write 2 this side, now see 2, 4 hydrogen. For oxygen, 4 plus 2, 6. So this is balanced equation now. Check it. Is it balanced or not? Manya, is that clear?
No. Yeah.
Got it? Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Now CH4 plus O2 gives you CO2. CH4 is gas. O2 is gas. Plus H2O gas. This equation. So you will balance or you want me to balance? Will you balance this equation? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
So
Carbon is how many carbons are there? What happened?
yeah.
So this is your balance equation now. Okay. Now we will do some from your book. Okay. Now which is difficult? What you are finding it difficult?
Like it's just
Okay, we will do
before
this.
I used to find. Yeah.
This one Al1, aluminum, and this one.
I haven't looked at this one yet.
Aluminium plus. Okay, fine. We will do this one. Aluminium plus O2. See. Yeah, this is shared now, na? This is aluminium plus O2 gives you Al2O3. A simple one. 2 aluminium, write 2 there. Oxygen, we have 3 there, 2. So if you write 3 this side, it will become 6, 2, and this will be 4. Clear?
So, because it's 3 on this side, you add
Okay,
make
wait,
it.
I will do it again slowly. Fine. This is a chemical reaction. So first of all, oxygen 2, and here we have 3 oxygen. So how we can make them equal? If I multiply 2 this side and 3 this side, it will become 6. 6. Clear?
Yeah.
And aluminium 2 into 2, 4. And here we have only 1. So I write 4 this side. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then we will take balancing with brackets one. Zn NO3 one. Which one? This one is this one. Okay. Now we will take this NH4. Okay. I will do one thing. We will discuss this question. I will do whole of this sum. Here.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Now see the first equation. So you want to
Shall
do
I?
it or do it, do it, do it.
Okay.
Okay, do one thing, just try to do this equation, then I will tell you. Fine. Now suppose first of all write down how many N, H and O. N is 1, hydrogen 3, oxygen 2.
2.
In this case N, H, O. N is 1,
1, 2.
H is 2, oxygen is 2. Clear? So the
Yeah.
problem is with hydrogen only. Okay, ji. And if you are going to change something with hydrogen, then this oxygen will also change. Now here you have 3 hydrogen and here we have 2 hydrogen.
Yeah.
So how to make them equal? If I multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2 and this by 3, it will become 6.
Yeah.
Fine. So it means I have to write 3 this side and 2 this side.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, G. Now if you change this, nitrogen will automatically become 2 this side, and here oxygen will become 4. Yes.
Okay, so nitrogen will become 2 and
Hydrogen become 4.
oxygen
Clear?
will become 4.
Yep. 3 from this one plus 1, 4. Now in this case NO, here 2 NO. If I write 2 this side, multiplied by 2, so nitrogen will become 2, oxygen will become 2 plus 3, 5.
So, wait.
Okay. Yes or no? Oxygen is not 2 plus 3, 5 oxygens are there. Is that clear?
Oh, okay, so I add 2
Okay,
to
now
make
5.
it.
Yeah, here we have 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen.
Yeah, and then
So,
this is
okay,
5 now.
yeah, this is 5. I need to make it 5. So how I can make it 5? If I multiply it by
You
5 by
add
2,
a 3.
if I write 3 there, it will become 6 now.
Oh, so you times the
It will become 2
thing.
times, not add. If I multiply this, if you see, if I multiply this by 5 by 2, if I multiply this by 5 by 2, what you will get? 5?
No.
Yes or no?
5 divided by 2 is 5.
No, 5 divided by 2 into 2. I want 5 oxygen this side. Already we have
Yeah.
2. If I multiply it by 5 by 2, what do you mean by this? How many oxygens are there? 5 by 2 into 2 will be 5, na?
Yeah.
But we all know that we can't write fraction numbers in this one. Okay? You
Yeah.
can't write fraction number. So this 2, I need to multiply the whole equation by 2. So got it? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So I need to multiply this whole equation by 2. So what I will get? This.
So
Wait.
it would.
Yeah. Wait. This was 5 by 2 and it was 2 na. So it will become 10. No, 4. 4, 5. This will become 4 and this will become 6. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Got it? Sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So always use this type of trick. Now try to do second one quickly.
Okay.
Second equation is C6H14 plus O2 gives you CO2 plus H2O. Do it quickly. Okay, carbon, hydrogen. Okay, I will do one thing. I will clear this first and then we'll do. D is C6H14 gas plus O2 gives you CO2 plus H2O. This is liquid and this is gas. Okay, if I add carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon is 6, 14, 2. Here you have 1, 2, and 3. Clear?
Yeah.
So first of all, carbon is 6 there. This one is only 1.
So I
So first
added the
multiply
6.
by 6, it will become 6. Now
Yeah.
go here. You have to write 6 this side. Now if you write 6, it will again change your oxygen part. So it will become 12 oxygen. So 6 into 2, 12 plus 1, 13 oxygen. Clear?
Yeah.
So oxygen will become 13. Fine. Hydrogen part, if you see this side, hydrogen is 14 there. And here you are having 2 hydrogens. So multiply by 7. If you multiply there by 7, you will get this what? 14 hydrogen.
Because you divide it by 2, so it's
Yes,
7.
Wait. 7 and not divide by 2. It's multiplied by 2 now. 7 into
No, from
14.
14 to
14. Yeah,
to
7 into
7.
2, 14 na? Okay.
Yeah.
Now count oxygen again. Oxygen is 12. 6 into 2, 12 plus 7. That is 19 oxygens are there now.
Yeah.
Fine. Now carbon is balanced. Hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen is not balanced. Here you are having 2 oxygen and here you are having 19 oxygen. So
Yeah.
in this case, now this side, how you can convert 2 into 19? To which number you have to multiply so that you will get 19?
Do you like times it by
If I
2?
how much I have to multiply this 2 number so that it will become 19? 19 by 2?
Yeah.
2 and 2 cancel out to become 19. So it will be 19 by 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know that this 2 cannot be there.
The
You can't.
fraction.
Yeah, fraction cannot. So if you multiply whole by 2, so it will become 2. 19 by 2 into 2 will become 2 only. So for 19 only. This will
Yeah.
become 12. And this will become 14. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to check?
So wait, so it's 2, so this would become 12 because you have to
6,
times it
yeah,
by
6, yeah, 6 into 2 is 12, huh? And 7
and
into
you
2
have
is
to
14.
times the
Yeah,
okay,
7
yeah.
times. Yeah, 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now do this one, third and fourth. See, I am also trying in front of you. Al2O3 plus H3PO4 gives you Al3PO4 whole twice plus H2O. So always write like this: aluminium, oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus. Ta, 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 ta.
6.
Aluminium is 2, oxygen is 3 or 4, 7, hydrogen is 3, phosphorus is 1. So here aluminium, oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus, ta, ta, ta. Aluminium 3, oxygen is 3 into 2, 8, plus 1, 9. Hydrogen is 2, and phosphorus is also 2. Okay जी.
6 not 3.
Yeah, first of all, aluminium का पंगा है. So we'll solve aluminium first. Aluminium is 3 and 2. Multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2. Fine. Now if you write कहाँ गया हाँ जी this there 3 and there 2 it will become 6, but the whole scenario will change. This will become oxygen 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 4 13. Okay, yes, here
So there are 9.
a second, phosphorus will become 2 into 2 4. Okay, and this side oxygen will become 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 1 17. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we have, okay, now this 4 now multiply this by 4. If I write 4 this side, so this will become 4 into 3 12. 12. Oxygen will be equal to, this one is 9 plus
Yeah, I got this as 9.
ये कितना हुआ 4 into 4 16. This one will become 25. Yes or no?
Which one? Sorry.
Oxygen
yeah.
will oxygen will become 25.
Yeah.
So hydrogen is balanced or not? 6. If you write 6 there into 6.
Hydrogen is balanced.
Hydrogen is balanced. Now here oxygen will become also, this is 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 16 plus 6 is equal to 16 plus 6 is equal to 22.
Yeah.
So hydrogen is 22 now. Oxygen is 22. So everything is balanced except oxygen now.
Yeah. That's where I was stuck.
Do it.
So do I do something divide by something?
We have to check. We did some mistake, I think so.
25.
Al3PO4 whole twice, huh? Yes. Do it.
So do I do 25 divided by 22 oxygen?
25 divided by what?
22.
Wait. This is 3 now. If I make it 6, then this will become 18.
Yeah.
So hydrogen will become 18. Oxygen will become 6 into 4 24. 24 plus 9. कितना हुआ? 24 plus 9 34 30 24 plus 9 33.
Yeah.
24 plus 9 is 33 only, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here this side we having 22. Yani in this no need, I have to think over this. If I multiply it by 9, so this is 16. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25.
So wait, oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 25.
25 na? Earlier it was 25 only, so why to multiply it something? Wait, एक second. कुछ तो पंगेबाजी हो गई गड़बड़. So, okay, if I write 6 this side, this will be 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus what I am doing, yaar. Shit. This is 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 9 is 33. Fine.
Yeah.
And this will be equal to, this is 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So 33 minus 16 will be equal to 33 minus 16 will be equal to कितना बनेगा चेक कर जल्दी फटाफट 33 minus 16 17 ना so if I draw 17 this side okay so sorry this reaction is going to be complicated one थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है it will take time so this is 6
Yeah. That's
6
also 6.
fine this is 3 into 3
plus
9 plus 8 9 plus 8 will be equal to 16
426. Yeah.
so this
And
will
then
become nahi how it is 16 yaar ये कितना हुआ 3 plus 9 9 plus 8 is
17.
17 na not 16 17 only so this is
And the
8
other one
8
is
here we have
8
3
plus
this side
2.
plus 8 no this is
Wait. This
8
is
PO4 into 2 8
plus
8 into 2 16
10.
16 plus 3 19 so this is 19 this side so again something is there I think there is some mistake this
So
cannot
3
be equal to
plus.
PO4 whole twice
How did we get 16?
this PO4
3 is.
this AL3 PO4 whole twice na the something is wrong with this equation I think
Oh, okay.
so okay fine do the thing I will check this equation and tell you next class don't worry
Okay.
okay and do this one this equation D part as a homework
Okay.
clear
Yeah.
so this chapter is finished now
Yeah.
just let me check there yeah just okay and do this fourth question
Okay.
yeah this fourth question as a homework
Yeah.
and practice questions are also there if you have time na so try to do these questions practice questions also these are important ones clear
Yeah.
okay then so I think that is all for today enough
Okay.
okay so next class we will do something else fine
Yeah.
okay then sir bye bye take care
Okay. Thank you.
okay bye 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 bye
Bye.
bye bye